I'm going to share with you 3 strategies that you can use to promote your online business's seasonal sale through Google. We're going to look at what you will do, why you would do it, and how you can do it. My name is Stuart Cridland and I'm one of the Ecommerce Strategists here at AdPeople. AdPeople is a full services digital marketing agency. We've been around for over 20 years. We've got over 2,000 clients, and ultimately the purpose of Leap is to help you grow and scale your business just in the same way that we've helped thousands of clients to do so before. The first part of the strategy that we're going to use is Google Shopping Ads promotional extensions. Okay, we've all seen the Google Shopping Ads, at least I hope you have. With the actual Google Shopping Ads, you'll notice that they take up the top part of the screen within the search engine results page. At the bottom of these adverts, with the promotion extensions, you'll often see something like free shipping, 10% discount, or sale on, something along those lines. Okay, these are absolutely fantastic, these extensions, because they educate the searcher and show them that there is a sale on your website before they've even got to the website, which is a real priceless piece of advertising for you. And best of all, these adverts are free until somebody clicks on them. If that sounds good to you, then I'm going to walk and talk you through how to set up the Google Ads promotion extensions within your Google Merchant Center. First of all, you need to make sure that your Google Merchant Center actually has the functionality to show Google Shopping Ad promotion extensions, and that's something that you can do through the marketing tab. If not, then apply to Google and then they can give you permission to do that, and it normally takes about 24 hours in order for that to happen there. Once you've got that functionality, you can then go into the marketing tab within Google Merchant Center, click on the blue and white crosshairs, and that will then let you create a new Google Shopping Ad promotion extension. Okay. Within that page, you'll be given options like what country you'd like to display your sale in, what type of sale it's going to be, whether it's going to be winter or summer, and also kind of what percentage discount you're going to be giving. It's also going to let you choose which products that you would like the actual kind of sale to apply to. Just as a bit of a tip on this one, I personally would go with a blanket sale that actually covers all of the products on the website there. It's going to make the setting up of the Google Ads promotion extension a lot more simpler for you, and it's also going to attract more customers as well if you've got more items on sale, so definitely worth doing that. Once you've done that, you can then save the promotion, and then Google will run an automated check, which normally takes about 48 hours for Google to kind of make sure that the actual promotion extension is in line with their terms and conditions. And then once they're happy, your Google Shopping Ad promotion will go live. For our second strategy, we're going to look at Google Search and Text Ads promotion extensions. We've spoken quite extensively about Google Shopping Ads promotions and how we can use those, but what we really want to do now is look at search and text ads and how we can get those to work for us and promote our seasonal sale through Google. As you're probably aware, the search and text ads appear at the top left-hand side of the screen, okay, and they've also all got the little ad logo attached to them as well, just to denote this. The reason that we're going to be using these extensions as well is because when we combine them with our shopping adverts, it gives us really good coverage and screen real estate to show our promotion, which is definitely going to help to kind of separate us from our competitors there. When we use these together as well, click-through rates are really strong, and we give our website some really good promotional activity and let the searcher know that we have a sale on at that particular time. Okay, so you're now going to want to know how you can go ahead and get your text ad promotion extensions set up. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to access your Google Ads account, not your Google Merchant Center this time, your Google Ads account. You're then going to go into the campaign, which has the adverts in that you want to add the extension to. Click on the campaign, then click on the extensions tab, and within the extensions tab, you're going to find the promotional drop-down, okay? Click on the promotional drop-down, and it will then give you the option to create and tailor the actual promotion that you want to run for the duration of the sale that you're having there, okay? Within this tab, there'll be lots of options in there, so you'll be able to kind of talk about what kind of sale it is, whether it's summer or winter, whether it's a percentage off discount, and you'll also be able to kind of look at things like how long you want the ads to run for, from what date until what date. Once you're kind of happy that you've got all of this information in there, you can then look to save that extension. And then again, Google will run an automated check to kind of make sure it's happy with everything. Really important to remember that you've got mention of the sale on the website as well, because Google is going to check the promotion extension you've created and also that there's actual mention of the sale on the website as well. And if Google's happy, then your promotion extensions will be live as soon as. Okay, so we're going to look at our third strategy now. And our third strategy is something that's very underutilized. And the reason that it's underutilized is because it does take time to implement and it can be a bit fiddly. But it's one of those things that it's really worth taking the time to make sure that you get this right, because it's really going to help to lift your overall promotional strategy there. Okay, so what am I talking about? Your actual text and search ads themselves. Okay, when people go live on their shopping ad extensions and their text ad extensions, what they often forget to do is to change the ad text, which is going to help you to kind of reflect that through Google. So in your headlines and your description text, I really want you to kind of talk about what kind of sale you're having. I want you to talk about how much discount it is that you're offering. And I also kind of want you to talk a little bit more about maybe the customer service side of your business, maybe kind of sort of talk about the quality of your products that you're offering in the sale. Really kind of shout about these things. If you're using a mixture of all three of these things, then you're going to get some really good exposure through Google there, and it's really going to help to push your sale there. What I would say as well is that this is a subject that I could talk extensively on for the next sort of half an hour or so. In order to kind of be a bit more helpful, what I've done is I've created a PDF which gives you some really good kind of tips and best practices on how you can actually kind of leverage these points within to this actual part of the strategy there. So I really hope that you found some value within that video there. The purpose of this channel is to help develop your e-commerce knowledge, but it's also there to help you grow and scale your business. Please feel free to leave comments under the videos there, and I will personally get back and respond to any comments that you leave. Until next time, catch you later.